Well, the AMP board has announced this review today. They say they regularly receive unsolicited interest and offers for various parts of AMP's business, and they say those offers have increased in recent months. So they've announced a total review of its portfolio, looking at the merits of potentially selling off parts of its business. This has been announced just this morning, and King & Wood Mallesons, Goldman Sachs and Credit Suisse are going to be managing this portfolio review. It's worth noting that AMP's strategy says their goal is to reinvent wealth management in Australia, grow its asset management franchise and create a simpler, leaner business. So I think from that reading, it means the wealth management arm of AMP is safe, but AMP also includes the business AMP Capital, which deals with institutional investors, and also a small banking arm as well. So this review has been announced this morning by the newly appointed chairman, Debra Hazelton, who took over from David Murray just over a week ago. On the local market today, the stock market is up nice and strong this morning, up 1.4%. It's had 3 days in a row of losses, and it's rebounded pretty sharply today. The AMP share price is up as well following this morning's announcement. But the big news today, of course, is the national accounts being released at 11:30. We'll be watching them very closely. Economists, according to Bloomberg, believe the June quarter economic growth will have contracted by 6%, and in the year to June, it'll be a contraction of 5.2%. That's going to tip Australia into its first recession since 1991. All the economic data we've seen from the June quarter shows it's been a tough quarter for our economy. It'd be interesting to see what the reaction is from the stock market to today's numbers, and also the Australian dollar, which was trading at 74 US cents yesterday. It's just under that figure now, which is quite a high level for our currency. So it'll be interesting to see what currency traders do when the economic numbers come out at 11:30, Tom.